Hello class, this is going to be a video on complementary and supplementary angles. We'll begin by first defining what each of them are. So we'll begin first with complementary angles. Complementary angles. So complementary angles are, here's the definition, are two or more angles that add to 90 degrees. Two or more angles that add to 90 degrees. So let's take, for example, here is our angle. We're gonna splice it at some point. So here's our angle A, B, C, and this is line BX coming from B. And if I said that angle CBX is equal to 40 degrees, can you calculate what angle ABX is equal to? So first let's label the angles that we are looking for. So angle CBX, angle CBX, it's this one here. So that is angle CBX, that's 40 degrees. Now what would angle ABX equal to? Well, since we know that ABC is 90 degrees, these two angles must add up to 90. So if that's 40, this must be 50 degrees. So angle ABX is 50 degrees. So because we see this, we can say now that angle CBX and angle ABX are complementary angles. Alternatively, we could say angle ABX is the complement to angle ABX is the complement to angle CBX. We could also say the opposite of this, or the vice versa. You could say also that angle CBX is the complement to angle ABX. Hang on, let me close my blinds down so I can get the light. That's better. So I'll give you another one. Here's our angle. I'm gonna make that. So there's our angle. So we have X, Y, Z. Gonna label that point T. Now if I told you that the angle T, Y, Z is equal to 25 degrees, what is angle x, y, t equal to? Well, since we know, so we can say since angle x, y, t is complementary to angle t, y, z. Okay, we know that's true. Since then x, y, t plus angle t, y, z is equal to 90. X, y, t stays the same. Angle x, y, t, but we know the value of t, y, z. T, y, z is 25 degrees is equal to 90. So we can say angle x, y, t is equal to 90, take away 25, which will give us 65 degrees. So that is 65 degrees. One last thing, I want you guys just to think about this. Think about this question. What is the complement to angle ABC is equal to 15 degrees? What is the complement to ABC, angle ABC, equaling 15 degrees? So what this is asking us, well, since we know the complementary angle, so it should add to 90 degrees. So it would be 90 take away 15 will be equal to 75 degrees. So 75 is the complement to 15 degrees, because 15 plus 75 give us 90. Moving on, let's now go on to supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. The definition of supplementary angles are two or more angles that add to 180 degrees. It's very, very similar to complementary angles, but it's supplementary angles. So here's our straight line. That's 180 degrees. So that is angle A, B, C. But if I extend this over here, there's our point X somewhere. And if we said that angle CBX is equal to 50 degrees, what is angle ABX equal to? Well, since we know that this should all equal 180, we can calculate it by doing 180 minus 50 degrees will give us 130 degrees. So ABX is 130 degrees. We'll do another one. oops, we don't want dot, we want a line. This time we'll have two angles. So that is angle A, B, C, D, E. If I told you that angle EBA is equal to, that looks about 30 degrees, angle DBC is equal to 40 degrees, what is angle EBD equal to? So first, let's find out where it is. Angle EBD. So let's actually put these numbers onto the diagram. EBA. EBA. So it's this angle here. So that's 30 degrees. Angle DBC. DBC is 40 degrees. So what is this angle? Well, since we know that it's a straight line and these three angles are supplementary, we can say 180 minus 30 minus 40 is equal to this angle, angle EBD, which is 180, that's 100, so that's 70. 180 minus 70 is 110 degrees, is equal to that angle EBD. So this is 110 degrees. And that is complementary and supplementary angles.